Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. This is some footage from the fire pit I started a few weeks ago. I had some of this in another video, and I had put the fire pit to the side, and I'm back on it now. I'm still waiting on my plasma lead, so I'm doing stuff that I don't need plasma for right now. All this is already cut out. This is just getting the top ring on it. I normally start with them upside down. This one has that tribal pattern cut in it. Y'all seen it before. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I really like that tribal pattern in them. Getting it all welded out now, using the HTP Pro Pulse. I can't remember what I was set on for this thing. But you can get thin to thick with that machine. I'm telling you, you can get down and get those settings just right on that real thin metal. And as long as you got a good fit, you usually don't have any problems with it. Fit get kind of bad, you'll come up with a few problems trying to blow through and stuff. And these are the legs, just getting that angled piece welded on. The legs are one of the things that takes so much time to build this with. Putting that angle on there takes quite a bit more time. This is the foot ring for it. I don't usually put a foot ring on these, but I'm going for a new look on them now, so here we are with the foot ring. And I cut them out with that Evolution saw, but I got the saw down on the floor. You can see that smoker chamber on the table behind me. That's what I'm waiting on for plasma to do the door frame of it. You just can't do that door frame with the torch. Too much heat. You're almost guaranteed that that edge is going to bow outwards, not up and down, but outward. You'll almost never get it out. Just getting the ring fastened to the fire pit here. Went ahead and got that welded out, and this is the rack. It has a different style rack. I've done them with a couple different racks. And this is just a heavy duty rack that's removable. All you have to do is take it off, put it in your garage or something. You don't have to worry about rain and stuff getting on it. Had to get it clamped down and keep it from moving so much, tacking all these pieces in. I'm using round stock for spacers so it won't come out from under there without clamping it, without unclamping it. All right, y'all, went ahead and got it all finished up. This is the 24-inch fire pit with the heavy duty rack on top. Just trying to get a new look to this fire pit. People that's been around, y'all have seen me do these with the swing rack, with the Santa Maria rack. I hadn't been putting a foot ring on them, so that's new on there. So anyway, that'll pretty much do it on this one. I'm fixing to get it put inside. It's getting kind of cloudy out here. I can't tell if it's gonna rain or if it's just something blowing through. So anyway, if you're looking for a fire pit, a smoker, anything like that, barbecue related, shoot me an email. I can probably get it done for you. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And for people that's been asking about shirts and stuff, I got shirts coming. I got 2 different kinds coming out. They're getting worked on now. Should be out in 2 or 3 weeks. I think they'll be ready. But I got some more that I'm working on to try to get 4 or 5 different ones. But right now I got to make sure I can sell these first. So anyway, if I can get a picture to upload, I'll put a picture of what they're supposed to look like. I hadn't actually got it on the shirt. I just got the file picture or whatever it is. So anyway, y'all be on the lookout for those because they'll be coming out soon. Like I say, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all come back for the next one.